Hello and welcome back. I want to take a little break from the lessons in this section and talk about Ruby for a bit. Now, Rails, as you know, is a web development framework and it's based on Ruby. So it's very important to learn and get good at Ruby as you continue to code and build web applications in Rails. Now, Ruby is a very user-friendly language and it's not that difficult to pick up. However, as with all programming languages, you'll need to practice it and you'll need to practice a lot. So I'd recommend during the progression of the rest of the course, you practice Ruby alongside it. So while there are many resources out there to learn Ruby, to get started, I would recommend this site called Learn Code the Hard Way. So go to Google and type in Ruby Learn Code the Hard Way, and then you'll see this link show up. So click on it, and then right here, read the free book online. Click on that, and that'll bring you up to this page. Now, this I found to be a very good resource to learn, get introduced to, and practice Ruby. Now, over here, you don't have to do the setup because you already have your integrated development environment with Cloud9 setup, which has Ruby. So I would just say go to the first program and start with this lesson, okay? So if you want to find out where you can practice this, so if you type in pwd and you see that you're in home Ubuntu, which is good, make sure you're not in any one of your applications. So this path should be good. Over here, we're going to do mkdir and then space Ruby_projects, and then change directory into Ruby projects. Okay, so I would recommend doing all your Ruby practice here. So among the things that I want you to focus on, obviously try to go through this. You don't have to finish this in like any time frame. I would say just continue this while you're taking the course. We will go through Ruby code during the course also, but it won't go into as much detail as this, okay? So things like loops and arrays are very important because you will extensively use loops during the course to access elements and in a lot of other ways. So make sure you pay special attention to that and go through as much as you can in this, okay? This is very helpful. So let's try out the first program. So here it says type in the following into a file called ex1.rb. Okay, so let's go ahead and create a file. So if you go to Ruby projects over here and then right click in the folder and then create a file, ex1.rb, and then open it. And it says to type this out, okay? So puts and within quotes, hello world. So let's try it. Okay, and then save it. Let's see what it says to do next. It says to type out all of this, so go ahead and do that. And then you want to run this, right? At some point, I believe. Okay, it goes through all the different instructions for Windows and everything. You don't have to, again, you don't have to worry about which platform you're in. And then once you're done, in the terminal, run ruby ex1.rb. Okay, and then it says the expected result. So here, I won't type out the rest. I will just say puts hello world, and I already saved it, and I'm in that folder already. So if I just type in ruby ex1.rb, there you go, it says hello world. So just like that, you know, continue going through this, continue going through the different chapters of this online book. This is very helpful and a good free resource to get familiar with and, you know, practice Ruby as you progress through the course. Okay, good luck. I'll see you in the next lesson.